Hello everyone, you are welcome. Dan Adeboye for Money Biz. Now in today's video, I'm going to give you an in-depth analysis and in-depth review about Gainmoni. If you are very conversant with the online presence, you'll notice that Gainmoni is making waves, especially presently here in Nigeria, where everybody is looking for one way or the other to make money online. Now, Gainmoni income platform is, according to them, one of the best decisions you can actually make as for side hustle. You can make money, and they claim that you can actually earn between 10 naira to 30,000 naira monthly on a monthly basis by just reading news, commenting, sharing sponsor posts on your Facebook timeline. Alright, so Gainmoni, one thing you must understand about joining Gainmoni, that joining Gainmoni is absolutely free. You will not pay any money to join Gainmoni. Instead, you'll be gaining money. So how they call it Gainmoni. You'll be gaining money without paying any money. Wow, this may sound so like unrealistic, but that's what they claim to be. Alright, so let's come to how much you can earn. Okay, let's come down and let me just show you how much you can earn, and I'm going to tell you all that thing you should know. Okay. First thing, how can you make money? Now you can make money on Gainmoni by commenting or viewing content or posts, by sharing sponsor posts. So when you share sponsor posts, you can earn up to 150 naira. So when you can also make money by inviting your friends and completing offers. So let's talk about the Gainmoni earning table. Now, what is the amount of money you can pay to join this platform? To tell you the truth, it is absolutely free. To join this platform is absolutely free, and instead of you paying money, as I told you earlier, they'll be giving you money. Like, it's more or less you getting free money. So you understand. Now let's talk about the affiliate commission. Now, affiliate commission means that when you refer somebody to this platform, they are going to give you 250 naira. Now, this is optional according to them. It's not a must you refer, but you know, just invite people and they'll join the platform for free. And when they join, like for example, when you join the platform, you'll be given 1,000 naira for free. And you give 1,000 naira for free. And when you refer any person, you yourself, you get 250. So you get. Now, anytime you log in per day, you'll be getting 100 naira. That's what they call daily login. So everything I'm reading for you here is right here on my screen. You can see everything on my screen here. And when you comment, when you read news, you will pay 20 naira. When you comment on news, you will pay 20 naira. And when you share sponsor posts on your Facebook timeline, you will be paid 150 naira. As you can see, they said refer is optional. Now let's talk about any withdrawal for affiliate earners. So when you refer people, how can you withdraw? So when immediately you get up to like 5,000 naira to 8,000 naira money as an affiliate in your affiliate account, you can place withdrawal on every first of every month, and you'll be paid between 24 to 48 hours. That is between 1 to 2 days. But if you are just doing two activities like commenting or sharing sponsor posts or reading news, and you have made up to 8K, then you'll be able to withdraw on the second of every month, and that will be processed between 1 day to 3 days. All right, so that is how it actually works, and that's all. Okay, now let's talk about any other things that you need to know before you begin to get so excited and jump into the platform. Let me tell you some things you need to know about Gainmoni. Now, how do Gainmoni actually make their own money? It is very simple. One of the simple way I've noticed that Gainmoni make their money is through Google ad. Like for example, when you come to any place you go to on their platform, you see Google ad there. And when I click on, you can see that this is an ad by Google. You can see it is written up here, ad by Google. So that is the way these people actually make their own money. And since they make their money in just ad by Google, it means that if Google does not pay them, they will not pay you. All right, so before you actually decide not to go into it or to go into it, let me tell you other things I noticed about this platform that I may now advise you to go or not to go. One thing you must notice about this platform is that when you come to the name here, you can see that the name of the platform is Gainmoni, but the URL is not Gainmoni. The URL is something else, and what I'm seeing here in the URL. All right, so let me just show you what the URL is seeing here. You can see it is abegpay.com.ng. Now, one thing I noticed about this platform is that since the name of the company is different from the URL, it means that they actually purchased the domain. Now, this website does not belong to them before. That is just the meaning. They went to some platform known as Flipper, where you can buy website from. So they'll buy website that's already monetized on Google, and they will just change little content on the website not to influence some Google policy and make it their own. So it means that the website will continue showing Google ad, and they will purchase it at a certain amount of money, so they start continue making them. And for them to continue making money, they have to bring more people to the platform. Now, one thing I want you to know about Gainmoni, if you actually jump into it to begin to make money from it, is that there's a high probability that you will not get paid. Why did I say this? Because the chances of them getting you paid is based on the amount of resources they generate from Google. And if Google does not pay them, or peradventure they are not able to make a large amount of money, and you yourself you have gotten like 8,000 naira, and we have up to like 10,000 people that have got 8,000 naira, you can see that this is a great loss to them, just like the next minute they have shut down. In fact, there was a website that looked like them like this. I talk about websites in my channel. You can go and check it out, and I told you that they are scammed. So this website has the great probability of being a scam, although it sounds to be so true. The amount of money they pay you is just too unrealistic. All right, so that is all I want to say about this. But the final decision is actually in your hand. One thing I also noticed about them, that when I come to contact us here, I noticed that there is no serious business that will be using Gmail as a form of contact. Using Gmail. So that's one way I noticed that they are not the owner of this domain. Like seriously, this domain does not belong to, like, the domain is abegpay.com.ng. It does not belong to them. So because if it belongs to them, they would use their email is going to be a business email. Look at that email here. So their email is gainmoni@gmail.com. It could have been, so if and the domain is abegpay, it could have been maybe, let's say, like for example, info@abegpay.com.ng, or admin, something of such that we have the domain extension in the email. So you have to be careful. Although this platform, it is free, you can just go there and check things out. But just for you not to waste your time and waste your energy, waste your resources, I would just advise you just look away from me, because there's high chances that you will not get paid. But nevertheless, I'm not saying you should not go for it. If you have peace in your mind to go for it, and you have extra time, so you can just actually, when I say extra time, I mean you have spare time. You can check it out and see. So you make money by reading. So when I just come to, you can just register. I don't want to register because I don't really have interest in it. But what I have interest in may be what you don't have interest in, and what I don't have interest in may be what you have interest in. So I'm not saying this on a personal basis. I told you at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you my own personal decision. So on a personal level, I will advise you to look away from Gainmoni, because there's a high chances you won't get paid. And it will be so nice if you have stressed your time yourself for a month, and you're not seeing big money into your account, and you're unable to withdraw it. It will be something that is very, very painful. I've been to that stage before. I know how painful it is. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you.